Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you this is totally optional. It's a total waste of your time. Actually, it's not. It's actually one of the coolest things. Yet it is not part of the IB syllabus, right? So notice that for the process XB, so this process here, they're telling us that the work done is 1760. Well, the work done is just going to be the area between this and 0, right? If we just imagine this area here. If we find that area, we will find the work done, right? And that area is going to be the integral of the pressure times the dV, right? From volume 1, evaluated volume 2, volume 1, right? It's a definite integral, okay? So now all we have to do is find an expression for this pressure, right? So, and since this is isothermal, we can just say PV equals PV, right? So P naught V naught equals PV, right? So that that pressure is actually going to be the initial pressure. This is P naught V naught, right? The initial pressure, initial volume, right, divided by whatever volume you're at, right? So this becomes the definite integral from V2, right, of P naught V naught times 1 over V, right? dV. Well, that's one of the ones we memorize because, right, that's the natural log, right? So that's going to be P naught V naught times the natural log of V evaluated from V2 to V1, right? We ought to be able to get that. Let's see if we do. Hopefully we do, right? Okay, so P naught V naught is 8 times 10 to the 5th and 2 times 10 to the minus 3rd, right? So 85, 8 times 10 to the 5th, right, times our initial, I'm just making this expression, 2e minus 3, right? And then we're going to go ln 6e minus 3 minus ln, and then whatever, 2e minus 3, right? I'm doing this, right? So V2 is equal to 6e minus 3, right? V1 is equal to 2e minus 3. I'm just reading the graph, right? Okay, let's see if this works. Keep your fingers crossed. This ought to work. All right. Let's see, 85 times 2e minus 3. Okay, times parentheses ln. By the way, I didn't remember how to do this. I had to ask Irene and Brittany and Maddie. Okay, so let's see, ln 6e minus 3 minus ln 2e minus 3. Did I do it? Oh, there it is, right? It's 1757.779 or something like that joules. And that's the actual one. When I made this up, I just had a spreadsheet that kind of integrated it for me because I couldn't remember how to do the calculus. It's pretty basic though, right? Okay. You'll never be asked to do this because it's the IB higher level test is not calculus based. There's some argument that it might be better if it were, but you know, we don't all have calculus, so there you go. All right. That is how you actually figure out this number, and they just rounded it.